This is the SZGH CNC milling and robot loading automation solution. The robot automatically picks up the workpiece and prepares it for machining. It helps reduce manual loading and supports a more stable production flow. After loading, the CNC milling machine completes the machining process with stable cutting performance. Once the machining cycle is completed, the robot unloads the finished part automatically. The system can repeat the loading and unloading cycle for continuous production. By combining CNC machine tools, industrial robots, and control systems, SZGH helps factories reduce manual operation and improve production efficiency. SZGH provides practical automation upgrade solutions for small and medium manufacturing enterprises. Contact SZGH.